If you're anxiously attached, becoming secure does not mean you stop needing connection. It means you stop abandoning yourself to keep it. In this video, we're going to talk about what secure migration actually looks like for anxious preoccupied attachment. Without shaming, without minimizing needs, and without encouraging you to stay in relationships that can't meet you. Anxious preoccupied attachment develops when connection felt inconsistent. Love was present, but not predictable. So your nervous system learned a rule: closeness must be maintained or it will disappear. This is why reassurance feels regulating. This is why silence feels threatening. These are learned survival responses. Anxious attachment doesn't stay stuck because you're not trying hard enough. It stays stuck because effort gets misdirected. Many anxious people confuse availability with capacity. Availability feels like chemistry and emotional presence in moments. Capacity looks like consistency, follow-through, repair, and regulation over time. Secure migration begins when you stop asking, "How do I get more?" and start asking if the capacity is even there. For anxious attachment, secure migration is not about caring less. It's about regulating before you pursue. It looks like pausing instead of escalating, tolerating uncertainty without immediate action, assessing patterns instead of moments. And here's the hard truth: you cannot migrate to secure attachment inside a relationship that keeps you chronically dysregulated. Sometimes healing leads to staying. Sometimes healing leads to leaving. Both can be secure outcomes. Security doesn't mean you stop wanting closeness. It means you stop sacrificing yourself to maintain it. You are not too much. You just deserve relationships that don't require you to overfunction to feel safe. If this resonated, there's a free Secure Migration workbook linked below. Liking and subscribing helps this reach those who need to heal. Secure attachment isn't about needing less. It's about choosing relationships that require less survival.